Okay, so this is my granddaughter Capri, and one of the things that I love, she is a twin, her and Beckett. You have a brother, right? And are you in kindergarten? Yeah. And one of the things that Taylor has been doing with the twins every day before they go to school, they do the I am practice, and I love it. And Capri was telling me about it, and she was telling me how she loves to do it every day. And so, how does it make you feel when you do that? Does it make you feel happy and good? And you love yourself? Does it help you to have a better day at school? So do you want to do it with Grandma? Teach me how you do it. Can you teach me? How do we do it? I am...
Open your eyes, silly.
I am kind.
I am kind. What else should I say? I am smart.
I am smart.
I'm brave.
I'm brave.
I am... What else can we say? I'm strong.
I'm strong. I'm a child of God.
I am a child of God.
Child of God.
And then do you say at the end, I'm going to have a good day?
And have a so great day.
Oh, a great day. I love you, Capri.
Lovely day.
A lovely day.
So great day. No, lovely day. Great
Lovely day.
day.
Give Grandma a kiss. Give Grandma kisses. Oh, really?
Doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do, doing what you like to.